a house design of 36 by 36 square feet. In this house include 2 bedrooms, one open kitchen and one large open dining room with balcony and a small toilet. So let's take a look inside the house. A large dining room in front with open kitchen. The open kitchen size of which is 10 to 15 feet. This is a bedroom 10 to 12 feet. There are 2 windows, one door. Window size 5 by 4 feet. Door size 4 by 7 feet. Is another bedroom 10 by 12 feet. There are 2 windows and a door in which you will get a wardrobe room and separate place of sleeping. The bathroom is right next to it. The size of toilet 5 to 7 feet. From the right side of the dining room, there is a staircase and a storage room on the roof. The dining room is attached to the kitchen with 4 by 3 feet window to the front. To the left side of the dining room is a simple bedroom of 10 to 12 feet, which will be full of openness and light. Of the dining room is a long balcony flanked by flower beds and chair. There is a large garden and open field in front. And finally, this is the interior and exterior of the house. That's it.